Have you ever pondered over the global demand for computer scenic? This fascinating domain, a blend of artistry and technology, has seen an exponential rise in demand over the last decade. Today, we delve into the interesting world of computer scenic, comparing its demand in different parts of the globe. Imagine the breathtaking landscapes in your favorite video games, or the realistic environments in the latest blockbuster movies. All of these are created using computer scenic, the art of creating digital landscapes and environments. In the Western Hemisphere, particularly in North America and Europe, the demand for computer scenic is soaring. This surge can be attributed to the thriving entertainment and gaming industry. Hollywood and other major film industries heavily rely on computer scenic for creating mind-boggling special effects and lifelike virtual environments. Video game companies, too, invest extensively in computer scenic to design realistic and immersive gaming worlds. Moving to the Eastern Hemisphere, Asia is witnessing a burgeoning demand for computer scenic. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and China have robust gaming industries that heavily rely on computer scenic. Furthermore, the animation industry in these regions is growing at an impressive rate, contributing to the rising demand. Down under, Australia and New Zealand have been making waves in the film industry with their high-quality special effects and stunning digital landscapes. This has led to a significant increase in the demand for computer scenic, making these countries vital players in the field. Africa, on the other hand, is still a nascent market for computer scenic. However, with the rise of local film industries and the growing interest in video game development, the continent is expected to witness a surge in demand in the coming years. In summary, the demand for computer scenic is on an upward trend globally. The most significant demand comes from the Western Hemisphere due to the influence of Hollywood and the gaming industry. However, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand are catching up fast thanks to their booming entertainment industries. Africa, though still in the early stages, shows promising potential. This exploration into the world demand of computer scenic sheds light on the impact of digital artistry on various industries. It's an exciting time to be part of this vibrant field as the demand for computer scenic continues to grow, driven by advancements in technology and the ever-evolving entertainment landscape. So, as we wrap up this discussion, it's clear that the world of computer scenic is expansive and full of opportunities, irrespective of geographical boundaries.